Hi everybody, this is Dr. Stephen. Hey, I hope you don't mind these corny little expectation videos. One of the reasons I do it is because our Dean of Extension Education, Dr. Frank Marco, has told us on many meetings, many times he's been with us, he said one of his goals is to remove distance from distance education. And one of the ways we can do that is with little opportunities like this for me to look into your life and you to look into my life, and you see me, and hopefully that makes just a better connection for online education than just seeing somebody's name on a PDF file. But several of you have been very observant and you've asked me about the instruments on my wall. So, okay, here they are. This is my 1972 Gibson Dove acoustic guitar that I used throughout the Jesus movement. Next to it is my 5-string banjo that, yes, I was a bluegrass banjo player at one time, and I still got my chops a little bit. I can still do it some. I also play piano and keyboard, and this is the very first real guitar I ever had, a nylon string guitar. My eldest son, Eric, followed in my footsteps a bit, and for 10 years he was the lead guitarist in the worship band Desperation, the Desperation Band, and traveled around the country, and they produced a number of albums, and including songs he helped write, including I Am Free and Overcome. And I got to tell you, he's a lot better a musician than I ever was. But that aside, okay, so this week, gosh, I can't believe we're getting near the end of our class. So it's going to be a rather simple week. There's one video for you to watch, and it is an interview with me and the author Glen Powell of our book, Saving the Bible from Ourselves. And I haven't been able to retape one because Glen recently sold his house and moved a little further away from town, so he's about 45 minutes to an hour away from me. So while we still communicate a lot and talk a lot, we don't see each other face to face as much as we used to. But the information is exactly the same. He taped this with me for the intention of being the final interview with the Introduction to the Bible students. And so I want you to watch that video, and there's only going to be one question this week. And the reason there's only one question is because I want you to spend the bulk of your time starting to work on your final paper. If you have not watched that little video I did on how to write a final paper, then please take a few moments and watch it, because I think it'll be helpful for you. So this week, we're going to watch the one video. We're going to continue to work on our final paper. You're going to respond to the discussion threads. And then the following week, the final week of class, we'll do the final exam, and don't worry about it at all. It's a very easy exam. And so we're really on kind of the final home stretch of the class. You're all doing great. You're all going to do excellent in the class. And I truly hope that this has been something that has shifted the trajectory of how you view Scripture, that will help you for the rest, not just the rest of your academic career, but really the rest of your life. So it's been so great getting to know you guys, and we'll see you in the discussion threads.